Welcome to Having Fun Wherever We Go. Today we're going to the Cheesecake Factory and we're going to get some cheesecake. And we invite you to come along. Here they come.
Yours is this one, which is Reese's.
Wow.
And then the Adam's cheesecake right here.
All right. Thank you very much.
Of course.
There it is, the Adam's cheesecake. Look at that. Yeah, it looks good.
This is the Reese's peanut butter cake cheesecake.
Reese's peanut butter cake cheesecake?
Yep.
Wow. There's a lot of cake in that name. There's a lot of cake on that tray.
For sure.
That looks like a lot. Looks good.
So good.
Oh yeah. I can definitely taste the peanut butter. Wonderful dessert.
So good.
That was a big piece of cheesecake.
Yeah, absolutely.
And cheesecake is so thick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take some home with me. I'm not gonna finish it.
Yeah, me too.
Boy, does that mean good food? Wow, was that ever great. Well, thanks for joining us. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give me a like. Leave me a comment. That always helps us out. And we'll see you again on the next one. Take care.